Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be something different. This video is going to be a review from an Aliexpress vendor that I've been purchasing hair from. It's called Nadula's Hair. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of you all who knows about this hair company. It's very good, very great quality hair. And you know, I just want to show you proof that I purchased this hair. I purchased this hair last year. Like, I purchased it when I purchased it in March 23rd, 2018, and I still have it till this day. This hair is good quality. Like, it lasts you long depending on how you maintain it. So if you just take it off, throw it somewhere, and just let it sit for a while, it's gonna look like trash. But if you take it, wash it, you know, it's gonna look great. It's good quality hair. This is everything that is required when you're bleaching your hair. You do not want to get it on your hands because I've never experienced it, but I just know bleach and on your skin, it don't sound like it mix well. So you have black gloves. I mean, you can use any kind of gloves you want, but it looks more, you know, professional using black gloves. So I have a pair of black gloves. I have the little container that the cream goes in, the bleach goes in. And I have the bleach, what is this? The powder, the lightening powder. BW2. I got this at the beauty supply store. It costs $10. And I have foil paper to wrap the hair in. I have the hair right here, my bundles right here. I have a comb. I have the brush to put the bleach on and the hair color. And I have 2 boxes of this Colorista semi-permanent color right here. I wanted to do a different color, but this color, you know, it stood out to me because I do red hair. So this right here, it'll work. And then I have 30 extra lift. It's what is this? It's Developer. Cream Developer. So I have 30. I have 2 bottles of that because this one is almost empty, but this one is full. So I have 2 of those. But yeah, a lot of people say 2-part bleach, 1-part Developer, something like that. But for me, I just eyeball it because, you know, I know how it should look. It should look like how pancake batter looks. It should look thick, not loose, thick. So now that you have your bleach, it's like pancake mix. That's how I like it, baby. This shit cooking. Okay. Y'all, my stuff is cooking, okay? It's cooking. Now that this is all, I put conditioner. I had to go charge the battery up, so I just put some conditioner on the hair. This is how the color turned out, just like that. So now I'm just gonna rinse it out. By Colorista, it's the Maroon 22. Maroon 22. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this color. And everything, it says on the back, right here on the side, in this kit, you have the color, you have the gloves, and you have the instructions and the brush. So there's a lot that comes in here. It's a good little kit. So guys, I kind of opened it already, but that don't matter. I just want to see what was in it. So I have the color right here. This is a 4 fluid ounce bottle. That's the color. This is the little brush here. I might be using this. I'm not sure yet. And these are the instructions with the gloves. Now, they give you enough gloves. They give you a lot. It's a lot in here. And this is just the instructions. This is Spanish. I'm going to speak Spanish like that. But this is the instructions. I don't really need this because I know how to color hair, so I don't need that. I'm gonna leave mine on there for like 45 minutes to an hour. So I put it in the sink so that way it won't stain up the counter, even though it's already